Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, but it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of that line right there. And that way we can just have much more clarity going forward, because there's really two main levels now that essentially are standing out as far as where supports and resistances are. First level from a support standpoint, down here at the 60-cent mark. And really, the price has never even gone back down there and back tested it. Late yesterday on Monday, the price got relatively kind of close to it. But today, definitely, didn't really get that close to it. But nonetheless, 60 cents is still that overarching level of support. On the flip side, though, as far as resistance levels are concerned, definitely got some confirmation of that today. And that was during this earlier portion of the day. Price worked its way up there and didn't hit it exactly, but definitely got well within range of it. So, that has, been confirmed as an area of resistance up there right around the, let's see, what was that, about 85-cent mark. As far as a, technical jargon would be concerned, and an overall pattern, just nothing fancy other than a sideways channel pattern. Bottom of the channel, again, down here at 60 cents. Top of the channel up there at 85, and with the amount of volume that dropped off today, it's looking like this thing may need to do a little bit of consolidating here, and until the volume returns, it very well would not be shocking at all to see the price just remain between these couple levels going forward. But with this one, it has shown it can move, and it can move in a hurry, so we'll see what happens with it. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it, but as of right now, in terms of just really summarizing it all, you could just easily say that on the 30-minute time frame, there is a sideways channel. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.